Stop using harsh chemicals to get a shine. This gentle formulation is powerful enough to strip away grime, but safe enough to use without gloves. Look at this finish! I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm a formulator, and today we are making a Zesty Soft Scrub Paste. This isn't just a DIY, it's a professional grade natural cleanser that smells incredible. To formulate this scrub, here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of baking soda for a gentle, non-scratch abrasive, a half tablespoon of Castile soap as our plant-based surfactant, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for texture and richness, lemon and oregano essential oils for a fresh, zesty, and herbal boost. If you're a Recipe Box subscriber, your box will include everything except the baking soda and the jar. We start with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is our base. It provides the mechanical action to remove buildup without scratching your surfaces. Next, we're going to add a half tablespoon of Castile soap. This is what lifts the dirt and grime away. Then incorporate 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to give the paste a smooth, professional consistency. Finally, the fragrance and function boost. 5 drops of lemon and 1 drop of oregano. Mix it until you have a thick, smooth paste. Transfer your formulation into a 1-ounce jar and label it. To use it, just scoop a small amount and scrub in a circular motion. It's a simple way to freshen up your space naturally. This recipe is a staple in our April recipe box. We've curated all the essential oils and specialty ingredients you need to stop buying toxic cleaners and start making your own natural cleaners. When you subscribe, we also send you a free big bonus box to give you the tools you need to start your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. Subscribe today for non-toxic recipes that actually work. I can't wait to see what you create. Ready to make your own? When you make this recipe, share a picture with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and we'll pick one person to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. Subscribe today for natural, non-tox DIY recipes. I'll see you in the next video.